Yeah. Yo, Addy, you see this here? And more blessings, more money, more girls, and more prosperity. And this year we kick out the Europe tour, March 2014. Eccentrix and Chi Ching Ching Europe tour 2014. So I'm going to call DJ Smo in Europe right now and make him know, say, if you kick out the tour like a leather. Hold on, my brother. Yo, DJ Smo, I go on 4-Star Foundation. It's a boy Chi Ching Ching from out of Kingston, Jamaica. You see the tour there? What we are dealing from last year? March at the date. March we start the Europe tour. So kick it off like a leather. Yeah, let's do this. Let the whole Europe know, sir. We're ready. Okay, to be continued. Yeah. Yeah, Addy. Right now, the tour we go on, we have to do it. Because remember, say we cut out for X and we cut out for Miss. We cut out for Rihanna and we not cut out for Chris. Remember, say we cut out for stage shows and cut out for tour. And we cut out for ritual and cut out for poor. So right now, we need to let the whole Europe know, say, yo, it's alright, you know. We need to drop the chainsaw over there. Chi Ching Ching! I'm the chainsaw man!